Have you already mastered your designs and you've got screen printing just top notch and you're looking to add a little bit more to your garments? Lasers are actually a great way to do that with some leather patches, your personal logo or label on the shoulder, or maybe a left chest, or even a leather patch on the bottom of the garment. So let's start with our bigger design. We're gonna do this one up here. I have this set to engrave it with the blue light, 80% power speed. We're actually gonna go really fast, 2750 lines per centimeter, 300. I'm gonna hit start framing. And then we're gonna line this up and then close. Now start, hit our button. If you have leather patches that you have, let's say, you've already done a cutout of and you have some excess, with this smaller little shoulder patch or hem patch that I'm going to be creating, I can actually utilize this space here. And so once this is finished, we'll go in and we'll line it up to this so that we can utilize all of our leather patch. In order to get your settings down, you're going to want to run a test grid. I run test grids on every piece of leather. If it's a different color, if it's a different style, it's test grid, test grid, test grid. Even if you use the standard user settings, I still recommend going through and making your own test grid. Now that this one's done, we can go ahead and pop this out. Now for our sample piece, we'll go ahead and lock the other design, open up the other one, frame, figure out where it's gonna go. Process and start. Also guys, don't forget to turn on your filter. It's gonna take about 53 seconds to do 3 of these little ones. Set those, prep the next one. The laser is going to choose its most optimal path. You know, maybe start out in the left-hand corner, and then as you see, it works its way around to the right side, going down, and then working its way back up to the left. As I'm looking at these, they look really good. A couple things that I'm noticing. There is the soot from the laser burning that's on here. Some rubbing alcohol will actually take care of that really easily. We'll remove that. Another thing that you could do is you could put a layer of like masking tape over top of this and then laser it, but you're gonna have to adjust your settings, maybe increase the power or slow the speed down just a little so that you have time to burn through the masking. Now that we have our patches made, I have the xTool heat press here. This heat press is a swing away. Now for pressing our shirt, I'm gonna simply slide it on. There is a backer that should be removed. We're gonna go about 2.5 inches from center of garment and 2.5 inches down. And then we're gonna lay our Teflon sheet over top, swing. And then we should only need about medium to low pressure. We're gonna go ahead and press and then hit our timer. Now I do have this set for 320 for 30 seconds at a medium to high pressure. Done. And there we go. We have our left chest placed on the shirt. Now let's put some other patches. Let's try to do one on the sleeve, and then we'll do one on the right side at the bottom there. Go. Here we go. We got our garment here. We got our neat little patch down here at the side. Got our left chest, and we got our little sleeve label here. I really like this actually. I might actually steal this shirt. Is it my size? No, it's not, unfortunately. These little patches on here, these are nice little accents that you can add to a shirt. Give it that little bit of a value add to your already printed shirt. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, or share it to somebody that you know that might like this as well. Leave me a comment below because like these projects here I really like doing. I really like this shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and go print it.